As the Gen Z spokesperson, I just want to echo my sentiments on a purported joke by a comedian by the name Felix Odor Jalas. Jalango, who is the Member of Parliament of Langata, has said that he wants to become the Senator of Nairobi. You know, Felix Odor Jalango has forgotten his history of how he joined politics. Felix Odor Jalas started there at Churchill Show. Akatoka Churchill Show, akaingia kwa radio. Radio 47, Kiss 100. I want to I want to give you advice, Felix Odor Jalas, kindly. Unajua umeogopa basi pale Langata. Sasa ati umedanganywa sasa ati unaweza kuwa senator wa Nairobi. Wewe sasa ubishana na Edwin Sifuna. Mimi ndo Sifuna uwezane na Sifuna. Kama hii ODM imeshindwa kutoa Sifuna kama SG leo, koti imesimamisha. Sasa wewe ndio utashinda Sifuna. Utashinda Sifuna hapa Nairobi. Mimi nataka nikwambie, I want to encourage you, start applying for jobs on these radio stations that you have been airing your sentiments early in the morning. End up join the radio presenters. But mambo ya kusema utakuwa senator Nairobi, that is a serious joke. You know, you're a comedian, so when you say something, we just take it as a joke. Yes, we just take everything you say as a joke.